Before continuing, I tried so many applications to get the followers, as you can see here, but still I didn't got any appropriate app to increase my followers. All apps are asking for to stay on the page, to like, blah 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 shit. So I will show you my real followers in my ID. I have total followers of, you can see, 182. So I will inject some followers from the app. You can see I'm opening the app. I already have my account here, so you can see I will order some followers for my coins. Like the coins are automatically generated, so here I will order I will order 50 followers. I injected them 50 followers. Order successful. So I will go back to my account, and you can see here I was having 182 followers. Now it's 211. I will refresh. It's 224. It's 225. So this trick is really working, so you don't need to worry, just one click away to get the followers. So I will explain you the whole process. You just have to go to the Chrome browser, and you just have to download the app from here, Top Followers app. After downloading, you just have to open it. After opening the app, you have to sign in with some fake ID. If you don't know how to create the fake ID, you can search some blogs or some videos on Facebook or YouTube to check how to create a fake ID. Just log in with the fake ID. Don't log in with your real ID, because it may affect your real ID. So log in with the fake ID. I already have one, so I logged in with my fake ID. Here in this app you can like order so many followers. Like if you create so many fake IDs, you are gonna boost your Insta in one day, like for 10,000 followers. Simply what you have to do, you have to click on the start button. It will generate coins automatically for you, and then later you can order the followers. In 1 hour it approximately generates 8,000 coins, so you can order 1,000 followers in a 1 hour. Now you have to click here on the follower button or like button, and you have to put your username here, on which ID you want your followers. So here you can see you can order as much as followers you want from coins. You have to put your user ID here. I am putting mine, so I will order few followers, like 50 followers, and I will again show you my account from the Instagram. I will refresh it, and you just see it. Sorry, yeah, you can now you can see my followers getting increased. These are just base few simple steps. Within minutes you can get 1,000 followers, but you just have to wait for 1 hour to get coins generated. So like you can see here are the coins. For 8,000 coins you will get 1,000 followers. If you create multiple fake accounts, like 5 fake accounts, 5,000 ID, 5,000 followers per day, like for an hour. If you create 10 fake accounts, like 10,000 followers in 1 hour. So it's up to you how many fake IDs you will create, and you will sign up on this app and then start. It's pretty simple procedure. Anyone can do this. Don't waste your time on other applications, just go for it. I will put the app link in the description box. Also, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please comment down your thoughts. Please share this video with your friends too.